Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can dress up as an Oscars award on Dress to Impress. So for the hair, I'm just going to be using this, but you can style it however you want. This is the color I choose. It's not the exact same, but again, you can adjust the colors and whatnot to your liking. We're going to select this top and we're going to make it a turtleneck. Select metallic and color it the same as your skin tone. And then we're going to use some gloves here. No fur, short. And then again, metallic. And doesn't make a difference. For the pants, we'll be using this one again with the same color, metallic, and we're going to select type 3. We'll need socks for this, so just doing that. You can make it cuter by adding like more stuff to it if you'd like to. Maybe add in like some accessories so it's not very like plain. Like that maybe. I think I'm going to add a few like accessories to this. Wait, let me actually just color it and not change the metallic to it. You can add like shoes, again, more accessories. I think I'm just going to add like more stuff to the top here just to make it more fancy and not super plain. But I will be coloring it like almost the same color for everything here, as you can see. I think I'm going to be adding this one to it as well. And I think I might add like a skirt again just to make it more fancy. I'm just going to layer on some more stuff to it. Like that. I'm also going to be using this, and I'm just going to color it metallic. Then for the like podium underneath, yes, we will be using a skateboard. Select the skate one, and then we're going to color it all black. I might color it like glitter here, cause just to make it, I don't know, look cooler. But yeah, that is how you can become an Oscars award on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.